Hi, I'm Drew. Welcome to the Beggars Woodshop. Quick little video here. Scrolling around on eBay the other night, and you might have seen it, you might not have, but let's have a look here. Did you see this? A replacement coupler. Fails safe. Yeah? Now look at that machine. That's what caught my eye more than anything. Ladies and gentlemen, that is not a Shopsmith, I'll tell you that. And if it is, what? Yeah, I don't know what that is. And if you look at all the images they offer here, we have that one, what it looks like, finally, it being used on a machine. And then they'll say, made in the U.S., family-owned company, packed from 100% recycled materials, not toxic. And then they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more images of the same first image. Okay. Just this alone, this little part alone, caught my eye and going, what the heck? Now, you know this is a 3D printed part, because if you look closely, it might be too dark on the screen here, but you can see the layer lines. And the layer lines are set up so that the device, like this, is printed from top to bottom. There's no spring. I was looking at some of the other pictures. There is no spring in this thing, and I know there's no spring because it should be on the end where you have where it goes to your headstock, which has 4 prongs on it. Now look, they're offering it for $30.99. Free shipping, so if you go on Shopsmith's site, which I did, yes, it's going to be a little cheaper, even after tax. But, should you get this? Or should you get the traditional, tried and true Shopsmith one? Or if you have a 3D printer, should you print your own for even cheaper? Well, the whole thing is designed to fail. But getting one of these 3D printed ones means it could fail at the wrong time. Plus there's no spring. Why a spring? Well, if you fail to tighten your headstock lock, the spring, as the machine works, will push that headstock away. I've actually had it happen a couple of times myself because I was an idiot and forgot to lock my headstock. It's just, if you want a little bit more of a better explanation, go check out the video on Scott's YouTube channel of My Growth Trains on why the original is better, and you'll also get a little extra history, but yeah, I just wanted to point this out, because it's conceptually, yes, I agree, conceptually, this is good, but practically, functionally, this is looking to be better. This is meant to fail if things go wrong, whereas this could fail just in general. Yeah, and I know for a while we were all hunting for these. I happen to have 3 of these, though I don't use one because the end on one is just a little bit warped, but yeah, I wanted to point that out here on eBay. If you see it, 53. In fact, just for my sake, check this out with me. What else are they selling? Okay, a lot of random stuff. Some of it could be 3D printed, some of it could not be. I don't know. They just have a lot of random stuff. They may not even be the original sellers. I don't know. But yeah, I would avoid it, and if you want to laugh at the headstock, check it out. That's a it says for Shopsmith Power Station, but even that's not a Shopsmith Power Station. Alright, I just wanted to put up this little quick video. That's why no fancy edits or anything like that, or good screen recording. Hopefully I will see you next time right here on the Beggars Woodshop.